Magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito, hihimay-himayin po natin yung mga naging statement po kabola ni Coach Luigi Trillo kabola sa DW or yung kung saan man po yung programa po ni Snow Badwa. So hindi pa na-subscribe, baka pindot naman po yung subscription button. Dito muna tayo sa mga comments po ng mga fans. Ronald Ignacio kabola. Hindi ko po alam anong pinagmula ng away nila, pero may video na lumalabas. Gusto talaga nila bugbugin si Amores. Kuyugin sa court pa lang. Dalawa lang yung magkapatid, pero marami yung kabilang grupo. Kung walang mawat, sinugod at gusto talaga nila saktan si Amores. Hanggang papapauwi na siya. Blah blah blah. Pero syempre mali pa rin ang ginawa ni Amores. Punto ko lang, may parte rin sila kung bakit nangyari yun. Okay, points taken, kabola. Okay, sige po, it was away. Okay, grupo nila kabola. O pinagkaisahan yung magkapatid. At the end of the day, that is not the issue. Sige, pwede naman mag-counter, pwede naman, I mean, di mag-file din ang kisa Amores. Pero at the end of the day, kabola, it was attempted murder. Attempted murder kahit sa angulo mo po yung tignan. Hindi yun pwede maging self-defense. Kita naman natin yung video, kabola. That's not self-defense. Kabola, wala namang nangyayari. Diba? Pag hinarangan ka, wala pa naman yun. Wala naman nakatutok sa kanilang armas. So, at the end of the day, it is attempted murder. Kabola. And we will just see kung paano po ito magde-develop. Mangyari Mascareñas, natalo ang SMB sa ASL sa Korea. But next succeeding games, ang SMB sa ASL, may ibang development. Manalo na yan, regards to SMB versus Ginebra sa semis. Wait lang, kabola, tuto yung San Miguel mo at the recording of this video. So, mangyari Mascareñas, ano po, one of the biggest fans sa San Miguel, Birmen, kabola. First, of course, we hope, as a Pinoy, of course, we are hoping San Miguel Birmen ay makabawi po sa ESL. Kasi again po, ang ESL, dyan natin ipapakita na yung quality po ng basketball dito sa Pilipinas ay mataas. Some news, Chot Reyes uses last conference exit to fuel TNT's semis push. Sa semi-finals na po, ang TNT kabola, RHJ is still RHJ, and that's the biggest reason of this turnaround by TNT kabola. Remember, they are still defending champ, of the Commissioner's Cup, if I'm not mistaken. So, dapat hindi po ito minamalit. Ito pong si Coach Chot Reyes kabola. Pinasios Converge, Grugs, SMB to sa atin Game 5. So, again to, katapos lang po ng game kahapon nung na-record po itong video. So, Converge po yung panalo. I've watched the game, and ang akin dyan, medyo obvious na kabola na napapagod yung San Miguel. Remember, dire-diretso yung laro nila from Monday, So, yung game nila ng Sunday, kabola, will be the 4th time. So, ito naman talaga yung risk of being part of ESL, kabola. Pero again, it is a risk that is worth taking. Now, that's the problem. If it will end up that San Miguel Birmen will be eliminated. And I think that is a big possibility. Kasi nga, talagang in terms po ng mas prepared ang Converge by the game, diba? Kasi pangatlong game lang nila this week, when San Miguel Birmen magiging pang-apat na po nila. Ito, medyo malungkot po ng balita. PBA orders Amores to explain his side in shooting incident. Okay, malungkot siya in a way na okay, it's good, it's due process, pero still, parang pahit kasi talaga tignan Kabole na parang may chance ba na makabalik po sa Amores sa PBA? Parang ganun Kabole, nakita na lang lahat yung nangyari. Nakita na po ng lahat ng nangyari. And of course, 99% of all the fans will have the opinion na hindi na po siya deserving of his spot in the PBA. Pero overall, wala pa namang decision. Let us hope po the PBA will decide this the right way. Now, ito na. Yung statement po ni Luigi Trillo kabola. So, dito kasi, sa nag-interview po kabola, parang ang sinasabi niya wala silang leeway. I don't think that we have the leeway that we can just trade people when we want. It's not gonna happen, right? Sabi niyang ganun, kabola. Which is, of course, makapaisip ka. Ano yung pinupunto niya dyan? Parang top management approval yan, kabola, pag sila po yung nakikipag-trade. Ganun po ba yung ibig nilang sabihin, kabola? May konting patama ba yan kay Coach Norman Black, that is still part of the management of Meralco Bulls? Kabola, yan ba yun? Or, I mean, it's all about them being coaches and mayroong pang management. Yung kanila pong team manager will need to say yes also in a trade. Yung ba yung pinupunto niya? Pero, or maybe, it's just pointing out that other teams, kabola, are very, very capable of making or doing farm team trades. Sila hindi masyado, kabola. Pwede rin ganun. Pero overall, again, respect to Meralco Bulls, respect to their championship last time. We hope that they continue to improve, and we hope, especially in the ESL, that they get the championship. Kabola, ano kayo sinasabi dito ng coach po ng Meralco? Comment na po sa baba.